So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down. Make sure that you have your correct input device selected. If you do not have it here, then you want to click on add device. Then you can add it. Make sure that your volume is turned up. And now you want to scroll down till you see more sound settings. Click on this. And then once we're here, you want to click on the recording tab. Make sure that your microphone has been enabled. So you're going to right click on your microphone. It should be saying disable for you, which means that it's enabled. If it says enable for you, then you want to click on enable, which will then enable it. Then you want to click on your microphone one time and then click on set default. It will then make it a default device. And then once you do that, now you want to double click on your microphone and then click on listen. Make sure you have continue running when on battery power selected. Make sure that this is not muted. And then you want to turn this up and then click on advanced. Make sure you have the highest option selected right here. And now you could try out both of these where it says exclusive mode. You can untick this and then click on OK, see if that works. If not, then just go back to this. You're going to tick it and then click on OK. See if that works for you. And then click on OK again. And now for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand both audio inputs and outputs and sound, video, and game controllers. If you see your microphone on any one of these, you might see it on both of them in fact. You're going to do this for both of them, if you see it on both of them. So now once you find your microphone, you want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. Also, if your microphone comes with a software like mine one does, you want to head over to your software, and then go to settings. Make sure that your microphone or your headset is fully up to date through the software itself. And now for the third method, you want to head over to search and type in find and fix problems with recording sound. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on next. You just want to go through this. Anything that comes up, it will try to fix it for you. Now once you complete this, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.